We're burning! We're burning! That's why you can see us.
Not something I expected you to say today, but that's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's one more to get, and it's not going to be one that screams.
Holy cow, we got it!
You got it!
It's a different one, and it is Grimlock. Very cool. So here's Grimlock, a Dinobot who is awesome. He's a T-Rex. He's a he transforms into a robot. How could you have something better than that? A T-Rex that transforms into a robot.
A cassette player that transforms into a robot?
It was only cool because of his voice. And the fact that he could launch cassettes, which were mini robots. Yeah.
Paul's reliving his childhood. He's smiling.
So Grimlock was awesome. He was always one of my favorites too, but he was really dumb.
Poor Grimlock.
He was. He was strong, he was brave, but he was dumb. So there's Grimlock. That completes our set. All right, there's the 5 Transformers from the Kisses Treasure Surprise.
Good job getting all 5, Paul.
It's amazing.
I'm impressed.
I am too. Okay, I'm impressed with the quality of the figures. The size is small, but the detail is really neat. And you immediately know who these characters are.
And you can immediately see their size now that there's a Hershey Kiss there for reference.
That's true.
So if you want to know how big they are, they're 1.5 Hershey Kisses tall.
There you go. Okay, Shannon, let's pick a favorite character and a favorite Hershey Kiss.
Okay. My favorite character, I'm going to go with Optimus Prime.
Okay.
The leader of them all.
Optimus.
And I'm going with this bag of Hershey Kisses right here.
Okay.
That one's the best.
That's a good one. All right, I'm going to pick... This is tough. I'm going to go with Megatron as my favorite. I love those purple, like dark blue purplish boots that he has. That's my favorite figure.
You just like him because he's in a heavy metal band.
I do. My favorite Hershey Kiss is going to be...
Which one?
It's going to be this bag, this
That
second
one?
one in right there.
Okay.
That one. How about you guys? Which one of these did you like the best? Leave a comment down below. Let us know. Leave the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit the share button and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. That'll make you part of the PS Toy Reviews crew where you can never have enough duplicate Hershey Kisses. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.